text messages, photos, audios, videos, and even video calls. There are many things that can be shared through WhatsApp. Without forgetting the status that allows us to publish messages with a duration of 24 hours. At first, the WhatsApp status were rejected as a function that was already included in Snapchat, Instagram, and even Facebook itself. However, today they are a function widely used by users. The first thing to do is to play the song you want to include in your WhatsApp status in our music application with the speakers activated. Then, without closing the application, go to WhatsApp to create a status. Step followed. Lower the notification bar to play the song and activate the option to record video as a status. A good option is to cover the camera to achieve a black background or include the scenario that we have in front. When you finish recording, you can decorate your story with text or emoticons. You can also share your favorite songs through the stories of Instagram and Spotify. Here the steps are simpler, since once you have shared the story in the photo application, you can download and distribute it in your WhatsApp status.